Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly X. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's I am going to show you beautiful and very gorgeous short for Pixie hair cutting ideas with light hair dye color ideas for all beautiful ladies. I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find all kinds of cutting ideas in our videos. If you want to watch, get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. I will try my best to show you all the new cutting ideas videos. I hope you like my video. I hope you enjoy my video. इस तरह की और अगर आपको मज़ीद अच्छी वीडियोस देखनी है तो आप मेरे चैनल पर विजिट कर सकते हैं। इन कटिंग को देखकर आप अपने किसी भी सैलून से जाकर कटिंग करवा सकते हैं। इस तरह की कटिंग आजकल फैशन में काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन है। काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल डिज़ाइन है, काफ़ी स्टाइलिश डिज़ाइन है, ब्यूटीफुल लुक है, ग्लैमरस लुक है। आप इन डिज़ाइन को ट्राई ज़रूर कीजिएगा। Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on all social media accounts. So don't forget to tell me in the comment sections to tell me how was my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas. I hope you like my videos. Please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. We will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new trendy videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.